Good morning everyone. Welcome to Mohan's Teaching Corner. Today we are going to discuss about the law of evidence key topics with the small examples. Okay. So motive. Motive means the reason behind a crime. Supports circumstantial evidence but not direct proof. Example, killing someone for property. Conspiracy. Agreement between two or more persons to commit an unlawful act, usually proved by the circumstances. For example, planning a bank robbery. Admissions. Statement by a party against own interest. Relevant as it is rarely happen falsely. Example, yes, I signed that contract. Confession. It is voluntary admission of guilty by accused. Only valid if free from threat or inducement. Example, I stabbed him with knife. Dying declaration. Statement before death about the cause or circumstances. It is accepted under Section 32 Evidence Act. For example, victim says, my neighbor poisoned me. Hearsay evidence. It is a second-hand information, usually inadmissible, allowed only in exception cases. Example, I heard him say the accused killed. Alibi. Defense that accused was elsewhere at a time of crime. It must be proved strongly. Example, accused in Hyderabad while crime taken place in Delhi. Expert's opinion. Specialist opinion assists the court in technical matters. Final decision rests with the judge. Example, doctor confirming cause of death. Privileged communication. It is a protected communication like lawyer and client, which is not disclosed in court. Example, client's secret advice by lawyer. Examination in chief. It is the initial questioning by party who called witness. It brings out facts in support. Example, prosecutor asking victim to narrate. Cross-examination. Opposite party questions the witness. Test truthfulness and accuracy. Example, defense lawyer pointing contradictions. Re-examination. After cross, party re-question own witness. Used to clarify doubts. Example, prosecutor explaining a confusing reply. Leading questions. Suggest the answer in question itself. Allowed in cross but not chief. Example, you say him stealing. Did not you? Like that. Hostile witness. Witness who changes earlier version. Here, the court allows cross by calling party. Example, eyewitness dying earlier statement. Child witness. Children can testify if they understood the truth. The, the court treats with care. Example, 10 years old describing theft. Dumb witness. Mute witness may testify using signs writing. Valid if property recorded. Example, mute victim identifying attackers. Refreshing memory. Witness may use the notes to recollect facts permitted under Evidence Act. For example, clerk reading account entries. Identification parody. Witness identifies accused among many. Done fairly before trial. Example, survivor picking rapist from lineup. Proof of digital signature ensures authenticity of e-document governed by IT Act plus Evidence Act. For example, e-contract validity by certificate. Ambiguity. When facts or documents unclear, court interprets. For example, will stating my children. Does it include adapted? Judicial notice. Court accepts certain facts without proof. For example, January 26th is Republic Day. Judgment inter partes. Binding only on parties to the case. Example, contract disputes, judgment not for outsiders. Inculpatory and exculpatory statements. Inculpatory means points to guilt. Exculpatory means supports innocence. For example, I was with him versus I did not see him stealing. Private documents require proof before admission. Example, handwritten will proved witnesses. Accomplice. Partner in crime testifies in court. Needs corroboration. Example, robber giving evidence against partner. Circumstantial evidence. It is indirect evidence forming chain of proof. Must exclude all other possibilities. For example, blood stain knife at accused home. Presumption. Court assumes fact until disproved. Example, letter posted presumed it is delivered. Res gestae. Facts forming part of same transaction admissible. Example, victim shouting, he stabbed me. Relevant facts. Only facts linked to issue are admissible. Example, past quarrel shows motive. Abetment. Encouraging or assisting crime. For example, supplying poison to killer. False confession. Confession made under pressure or threat. admissible in court. Example, police forced admission. Proof of custom. Custom valid if ancient, reasonable, not unlawful. Example, village inheritance tradition. Presumption of legitimacy. Children born in valid marriage is legitimate. Example, husband must disprove paternity. Rebuttable presumption. Presume true unless disproved. Example, letter delivery can be disproved. Irrefutable presumptions. Absolute cannot be challenged. For example, child below 7 years cannot commit crime. Logical relevance. Fact logically connected to issue. Example, buying acid before an acid attack. Res judicata. Once decided, case cannot reopen. For example, property dispute settled finally. May presume, shall presume, conclusive proof. May means court discretion. Shall mandatory unless disproved. Conclusive, it is the final proof. Example, divorce certificate equal to conclusive. Thank you for watching Mohan's Teaching Corner. Do subscribe, share and like this particular Mohan's Teaching Corner. Thank you. All the best for your coming examination.